Hey guys, here is Mordok here and with another vlog. Well, technically today is not a vlog, it's actually a educational video. So I have a problem and my tire popped, okay? And a lot of people I know that don't know how to fix a tire. I'm gonna teach you how to fix your tire quick and easy and fast. And let's get straight into the video because I'm cold and I'm trying to get home. So I have my Honda Civic here, and as you can see, I have a very big problem. So what you're gonna need, of course, your donut that you will locate it back here. You can officially see it back here. It should be back here. And second, you're gonna need, of course, your tools. These tools will help you take these off. So first, before you try to take the tire off and lift it up, you gotta make sure you take the nuts off while the tire is in the ground. So keep that in mind. And once you take all of these off, or you loosen them off, each one, make sure each one is loose, you're gonna wanna have this little thing right here. Now, as you can see, you're gonna have a little iron thing right here with your car. As you can see, I'm right here under. You're gonna see a little iron thing where you're gonna place the item, and you're gonna have, of course, your stick, and you're gonna want to lift it up. Once you lift it up, of course, your nuts are gonna be loose already. You're gonna wanna do it, and then, all right, let me fast forward this.
It's very, very hard. It's very simple how to do this. You just have to have the experience. And of course, if your parents didn't really teach you how to do this, you're probably spoiled or something. But trust me, instead of wasting so much money, oh, I can't do it, it's too hard, you can always do it with a little bit of force. Don't be lazy now. You can always do this, and this is how you're going to do it.
Now, you want to keep in mind that your nuts have to be loose before you do your tires. So make sure you do your tires nuts loose before you lift up your tire, because then it's just gonna go right off and you're not gonna be able to take those knots anyway. So make sure to loosen up those knots. Okay, so now once you have your car fully up where you can rotate it easily, yeah, I know it's kind of bad, where you can rotate it easily, you want to go ahead and take off all these knots right here, okay? And you want to make sure you keep them, okay? Don't throw them away. No, keep them. Don't lose them. You're gonna need them. The car doesn't run on thin air.
Okay, loosen all those up. Kind of fast forward this video a little bit so we can get right to the point. So loosen all these up, and we'll get right with you once you loosen it up. Okay.
Now, once you have all these knots on there, you don't want to tie it fully. You want to take this mug right here off. And as you can see, you want to take it off and lower your tire all the way down. All right, now that you have your bad boy on there and you took it off the tire, you want to go ahead and tighten these knots really tight on there so it won't go off. All right, when you want to loosen these knots, you want to go to the left. If you want to tighten, you want to go to the right. So always remember, loosey, lefty, righty, tight. Okay, I have finally lowered the car all the way down. All you want to do now is tighten the knots and make sure these knots are fully tight. Get your flat tire in the back where you found your spare tire. Put all your tools back and make sure if you have a donut to fix the tire. This tire won't last you forever, so don't think of driving this forever. Make sure you go fix it in the morning if you can. Go right now, but I guarantee you this won't last forever. So, in saying all that, please make sure to go change your tire. This is just for spare time, so just know that. this how to fix your tire and how to get. All right, guys, that was the video and how to fix your tire fast and quick and get home. So as I said in the video, if you have the donut, make sure to go fix that as soon as possible or in the morning. Make sure to know how to do this, and like I said, if you can't do it, let someone else do it. But this is very easy, it's quick, you shouldn't have no problems. And if you have any questions, comment down below, share this video to anybody that might need help. And yeah, subscribe for more content. You never know what can go in my life. All right, guys, thank you for watching.